Alright guys, welcome back. I got another short little video on this 2019 Toyota Rav4 on how to reset the engine oil light. So let me show you how to do it. You're gonna go, first of all, you're gonna press the button right here on the steering wheel to go back to the main menu. Then you're just gonna scroll to the left using the arrows, and then you're gonna go down to where it says settings. Once you scroll down to settings, you're gonna hold the OK button, and that menu is gonna come out. Then you're gonna go to schedule menus. You're gonna push reset data. You're gonna go up and say yes, reset complete, and then you're gonna go back and you're good to go. Hopefully this video helps you guys. If it did, don't forget to follow and like the video for more. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next time.